So, I was looking for a budget-friendly wireless earbud and I stumbled across this device on Jumia. This is the Itel BudsAir 5i True Wireless Earbuds and it cost me just 13,250 naira, which translates to about 8.63 US dollars. This device comes in a black or white color variations. But now, the question is this item worth your money? Let's find out. Smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get my notifications and to support this channel. In the box, you get the classic earbuds, the type without rubber tips, the charging case, the Type-C cable, and the manual. Pretty standard. The design is simple and lightweight. The plastic build has a glossy finish, but still feels a bit cheap on the sides. Not bad, but nothing premium here. The case is very portable and very pocket friendly. The buds are very lightweight, with each bud weighing just 3.2 grams. You barely notice you're wearing anything, and they are secure enough for casual use and light workouts. I wore them for a few hours and they didn't hurt my ears, which is very convenient. This device is IP54 rating. That means it is water resistant and dust resistant. But that doesn't mean that you can wear it under a heavy rainfall and submerge it into water. Alright, so if you want to pair this device to your phone, it's very simple. All you need to do is on your Bluetooth, then bring out the device. You can bring out one or two of them, and you can see the Itel BudsAir 5i shows up here, and you just go ahead and click on it to pair. So you can see it's connected. So this device comes with a Bluetooth 5.4 and pairing is very quick. I had no dropout during testing. It has 16 ms low latency gaming mode with sound effects, which makes gaming experience great. Two built-in mics on both earbuds for enhanced clear calls, and it supports AI translation. You also get touch controls for play, pause, music, and end calls, which is double tap on either side of the pair, triple taps for next music on the right earpiece, triple taps on the left earpiece to turn game mode on and off, long press on the left earpiece for voice assistance, long press on the right earpiece to toggle between classic mode, special audio, and super bass mode. Now, sound quality, honestly, I'm really impressed. The bass is punchy, highs are clear enough, but the mids can feel a little bit flat. I noticed some users made a review on Jumia complaining about how low this earpiece sounds, but to be honest, the level of sound that this device gives, it doesn't hurt the ears, and I think it's just okay for me. They also support AI ENC calls, which means AI environmental noise cancellation calls. Indoors, it works okay. Outdoors, you'll still be hearing some background noise. So Itel claims up to 5 hours on a single charge and 32 hours with this case. In my real use, I got about 5 to 7 hours of use with the earpiece, and I still had about some percentage left. So the 32 hours with the case, I think they are correct, but I haven't really tested it completely to be sure that it's up to 32 hours. The Type-C charging charges the board case with just about 20 minutes or slightly more, which will take you all day, and that's very impressive. I love it. So, what are the pros and cons of owning this device? Number one, it's very cheap. Considering I got this device for 13,250 naira, which is just 8.63 US dollars equivalent. I mean, the kind of quality I get from this device, it exceeds that amount, to be honest. So the second one is very light. You can barely feel it when you're holding it. I mean, it's not a burden at all to carry along. For The third one, you have good battery life. The battery is impressive, and 5 hours of airtime without a charge is okay. I like that. So 32 hours with this box. In fact, that's more than a day because a day is 24 hours. That means, but how can you really be listening to music or using it in your ears for over 24 hours? I don't think so. For the bass and sound quality, it's very decent. I like the sound quality that I get from this device, the fact that it doesn't hurt my ears. So, in terms of the cons of owning this device, well, as I said earlier, this plastic feels very cheap in terms of the size, and I can already see some scratches on the sides of this device, which is understandable considering the price. Secondly, there is no dual connectivity, so you won't be able to connect for two devices in case you want to use double devices at the same time with this earpiece. Thirdly, noise cancellation is not that great. You could still get some background noise get into the call or get into your music when you're playing it outside. But when you are inside, it's very okay. So, my final verdict, if you're on a tight budget and need an earbud with great battery life and sound quality, this is worth every penny. I mean, considering the price difference between it and the likes of Samsung and Apple earbuds, I'll definitely go for this over and over again because I'm very satisfied with it. That's my honest take on the Itel BudsAir 5i. What do you think, guys? Would you grab this or would you go for something else? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Click the bell icon to keep in touch with my next reviews. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.